Oh hey Fam Bam, it's the devil here taking over Cece's channel. Before we get started into this fabulous Halloween look, here's a word from our sponsor. Hello Fam Bam, it is your favorite woman, the courtesan of class, and I am here to... Hold on. It smells like something. It smells like fucking fabulous. What is that? Is it Tom Ford?
No, that's a Dossier dupe.
A Dossier dupe?
A Dossier dupe.
Oh my goodness.
And I am the dupe of Dossier.
Oh my goodness, Duke. Oh. How nice of you to come join us today. Do I smell divine?
You smell fabulous.
Thank you, darling. So as you know, Dossier makes beautiful designer dupe perfumes. But what you maybe did not know is that they make colognes as well. Oh, tell us more, Duke.
Well, starting at the bargain basement price of $29.99. Designer dupe colognes that you can smell like rich and fabulous royalty for next to nothing.
I love this. And if you don't like your cologne or your perfume, simply smell it and send it back and get another designer dupe scent. There's no risk. So you too can smell like us. Rich, sexy, royalty. Dossier. Thank you, Duke.
And thank you, courtesan, for letting me in on your little secret.
And now it is their secret too.
Oh, Dossier for you.
Okay, Fam Bam, let's do this. I am pretty much just starting with a blank face. It's gonna be great. So I'm gonna go in with my Pink Religion palette, red color right here, and just kind of go to town and see what happens. I'm just gonna put red all over the entire lid and hope for the best. This red is actually subtle. I'm surprised. I thought it was gonna be like crazy bright, but it's actually not that bright. So I'm just putting it like halfway. I feel like I have another red. Ah, yes, the Conspiracy Theory palette does have a red in it, so I am going to try that one. That one definitely has some more pigment to it. Okay, so you can see it is brighter. Then I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush and blend. It kind of comes off looking pinkish, I'm not even gonna lie. Kind of cute though. I still want it to be pretty even though it's evil. Then go in with a darker color. Handbag Queen. A little cranberry moment. Packing it on there. And then I'm gonna bring it out just a little bit. Stunning. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna continue it under the eye. This magenta color is called Beauty Killer. Ooh la la. We can go in with like that bright candy cathedral and put it, woo, right in there, baby. Ooh, ooh. Wow, that's gorge. Now that I found my will to live in this pink moment, I'm excited. Then I'm gonna blend it out a little bit under the eye. So I'm gonna go in with my black NYX liquid eyeliner and do an inner wing and an outer wing. And then I'm gonna go in with Smolder as the inner liner. Super evil. Ah, I forgot to put mascara on my lashes. Ah! If you don't put mascara on your lashes, they won't blend with the fake lashes. That's like, woo, baby. And then we're gonna do the bottom lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting on a red wig for this, like a dark red wig. So I'm gonna fill in my brow with that same dark color in here to give my brows burgundy. Changing your brow color is just an easy way to change the whole face. Let's go in with an angled brush to get a better, precise line. Ooh, yes. Line is cunty. And you might want to do like a slightly more arched brow because we are evil. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with that lighter reddish color again. And I'm gonna do cheeks. I'm gonna go with my blush brush really high up, kind of like coming out of my eyeshadow. Why is it so sparkly? I don't know. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna do the nose too and just kind of fade it out. We just want, you know, I'm gonna put some up here. Ooh, I kind of look like a clown, but kind of in a good way. I don't know. Oh, fuck. My elbow. So, yeah, I'm kind of looking clowny. I think once the whole thing is done, it won't. I'm not sure if I should use black. Well, I'm going to go in with NW50 from MAC and just give like a super harsh line. And then go up in the temples, contouring around my face. And then I'm gonna contour my nose too. And I wanna blend the contour down from my eyebrows because it looks more evil. She ended up more pink than red. I really wanted her to be more red, but you know, it's okay. Okay, I just popped on some Unicorn Blood Liquid Lip by Jeffree Star and it really pulled the face together. And this is the part where normally I would piece together a lot of little tattoos to make a neck tattoo. However, I did find this amazing piece on Amazon. It's for your back, I'm pretty sure, but I'm gonna make it go onto my chest. It's gonna be sick. I'm gonna have to cut it a little bit, I think, because obviously this part, actually, look, this part goes up. Maybe we should have it come up to the lip. Oh my God, we have to do that. Okay, we're gonna do that. So fake tattoos are super simple to do. I'm gonna peel this off. Now I'm gonna cut. World's tiniest scissors. Look how tiny these are. Now, when you place this, you have to make sure it's symmetrical, okay? Try to line it up, and then you're going to be using a towel that's wet, and you go like this, and you dab it until it releases. Maybe if it's a little see-through first, then I can place it. Yes, okay, so if you wet the back first and make it a little bit see-through, then you can kind of look through the paper to place it on your body. Okay, I'm wetting it. Oh, it's already coming off. Oh my God, that's so cool. This is so hard because it curves on my face. Bending. I should have like cut it. That wasn't smart. Okay, it's definitely not sticking on this side. I'm gonna have to fix that manually. This is gonna be so jacked up, but whatever. Oh, hoo-hoo! Wow. That's fucking sick. It did work. It looks amazing. There's literally like only a couple parts that need to be fixed. So I'm just gonna go in with black eyeliner and fix some of the lines that got messed up. Do I have a gel eyeliner? You know what, I do have a liquid lip. I'll do that, I'll use that. Yeah, wherever it is falling off, just draw your own line. Cute. So that's phase one of the tattoo. So the next thing you want to do is actually make it look like a real tattoo. This is way too dark. We need to lighten the whole thing up. So you have to go in with some powder. Here's some Bare Minerals powder. I can use that with a big brush. Get a bunch on there and go to town. Start packing it on. This is just a setting spray. Then we're gonna go over it again. This time I'm using a darker color and I think this is NW35. It's a powder foundation, so it should be more coverage because you really want to cover this tattoo up so it looks more worn. This is starting to look real. Now we're gonna go in with the Kryolan fixing spray. It stinks, but it works. The last thing I'm gonna do is add some shine, because if you have a little bit of shine here, it looks like you put makeup over your tattoo and your tattoo's normal. A little bit of Metal Crush from Kat Von D. How sacrilegious using Kat Von D and Jeffree Star together. And here, and then maybe a little bit on my cheeks, just to tie it all together. Why do I look so good with neck tattoos, you guys? It's just like this thing, I can't shake it. I just look so good with a neck tat. It's wild. Let's pop on a nose ring. Let's do silver and like right in the middle. Right there, baby. Okay, I just popped on my wig and got out all of my clothes for Le Devil. Are you ready for the big reveal? The final reveal. Ooh, baby. This is sexy. The contacts, oh my God. Like these really make it. This makes and breaks it. They're from Moody Lenses. It's called like Machina is the name of this lens. Ooh, so good. The makeup does not look clown-like anymore. The tattoo looks sickening. I lined it up perfectly in between the tatas. Hi. Here we have my little devil horns. This is like a red latex type of a bra. Red pants. Red boots, baby. Woo! We are slaying and taking names with this outfit. This is sick. P.S. You can also change your wig and it's going to alter the look of this whole entire thing. So now it looks more like rockabilly pinup when I have the blonde wig on. I would definitely wear this out. Plus we've got that little masculine touch with the red burgundy blazer. You know, little touch of Lucifer in there. Little boy vibes. These also light up. These are from Amazon as well. This top is from Yandy, I believe. It matches the boots that I think these are from Fashion Nova. Is this not the cutest? This is like the cutest, sexiest business devil you ever did see. But she's evil. She's so evil. Ooh. This is such a scary tattoo. But in the best way possible. Like, this looks so good. Oh yeah, and fishnets underneath as well. And on top of it, I did nails, Halloween nails, and they say thinner. That's a skull and a red, and this was just plain, but I thought those were so cute. Totally goes with the vibes of this lady we created today. I'm loving this. I hope you love it too. Hope you enjoyed the big reveal. And I think everybody can do this themselves. It's not that hard. Well, happy Halloween, you guys. I love you so much. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you really soon. All right, bye. Dossier not only makes designer perfumes for not only the future women of America. Dossier makes beautiful dupe design. I didn't keep a straight face. Thank you, Duke.